How to send money to friends on Revolut. Hi guys, welcome back. In this episode I'll be showing you how you can send money to friends on Revolut. So in order to send money to your other friend or Revolut customer, first thing you have to go and log in into your account. So you can either use an application or web browser. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now select transfer or send from the menu bar at the top of your app and select the search bar at the top of the page in order to enter in the details. So after that, you need to select a friend or a contact. You can also search by the phone number, email, rev tag, or scan a QR code whatsoever. So after you've located the information, now you need to go ahead and enter in the exact amount that you wish to transfer, and you need to select from which account or from what source you're actually transferring the amount, and then you need to confirm the information or the transaction by reviewing the following information that you provided. And if you're sure about it, then enter in the passcode or PIN in order to confirm the transaction, and you'll be notified that you've successfully sent money to friends on Revolut. So that's basically how you can send money to friends on Revolut. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.